Today I will introduce to you the taillight, one of the standard accessories of our Roadster X4 series. Lights are made of aluminum alloy and plastic. Capacity is 350 mAh. Waterproof grade is IP65. The lumen of the tail light is 30, and the charging time is 1 hour. There are 6 lighting modes in total. Now, in constant light mode. Single flash mode. Breathing mode. Double flash mode. Tai-Kai mode. Horse racing mode. The tail light is fixed on the skateboard through an aluminum alloy bracket. Open the back cover of the tail light. You can see the charging port. Charging port is Type C. When charging, the tail light switch button will be red. When fully charged, the switch button is green. Now, let's mount it on the skateboard.
I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I love the way you look me in the eyes when you joke up but can't apologize, cause you are too afraid.
After installing the tail light, the skateboard becomes more attractive.
I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain